Tang nomor ke jingbam biang kalat ben pentui ya ko umbat ki jaklia ke bla pentui harut ko wei ka wadut ki paiba nong chong shnong ko umper ha bernihat ber ki khana school ke St Jude Secondary School ki la haban ma ke jing e ka bakrau tang nomor ke jingjia shle ka bana ka por khamtam ha ka por liur nomor ke jingshle ka bashir khei ka bla tabru wa ka benta ka bashapo jong ka te school kani ka jingjia shle ka bashir khei ka bla bu jing e amtai ki paiba nong chong shnong ko umper hindai ber ki khana pule ber ki bor pnya school kala jana do kasnem arja khat pratar tar hadu usnem arja arpo hakaba ka jingshlei kala ja ki por liyor bar ki por bahap slam na kaliang ki bor shnong chaka umper bar ki bor pnya school wala kila o la nam bar karpach ki bor ki badai pek jong ki bor district riboy hinre kim shim la ngap satiai kani ka jing e ka ba kila mat Deitar hadian ke jingshim kia do MLA ke jirang constituency ba sosana sotun ubala pha de ki korpo shilu man pen khoi ye ki rot ki kiar jong kani ka wadoi balala ban weng pat ye kani ke jing e ba ki pai ba ki mat
From 2018 onwards, we are facing a lot of issues due to flood. On the 18 August 23rd, we had a heavy flood in our school compound. Around 8 feet water level came, and the entire our school, almost all the documents, computer, everything spoiled. Not only our school, this entire village is affected due to flood. And 2019 also, the same things happened, and we were approaching MLA, DC and block everywhere, and finally MLA took initiative to clean this small river, and already he cleaned some part, but still we are doubting. He has done his best, but from Assam side need to take the initiative, then only this problem we can solve. So we are requesting Assam government to take over this issue to protect, to save our Umber village as well as school campus, school children. So we want to live here peacefully. Because of flood, every year we are struggling. Our things are losing every year. It's quite difficult for us to survive in this village. So kindly we are requesting Assam government to take it as more serious. We are in need of their help. Need to clean this river up to burning.
Haki jingle jurep kabla long haka pratre uya yong arja arpwe da ka jigadon lang oba sosana sotun kumunong mikmat u principal ka St Jude Secondary School u brother Shiju PJ barunong mikmat na kashinong umper u hitlar sangma dala bagadaw ba ka pelong e kani ka jingshlei ka de ka jingpampun khu ye ka wai ka dulong ka ban plela ka jingya bet jang ko bar ki jaklia haki jing shisha ya kanira de shimkhia hi de ki bor ka National Highway Authority of India
lapan pau na kaliang jong brother pada principal jong ka St Jude School laudu snam arja khatpa ter man la ka season of rain jadi jwan du slap ka la long ka ta sisa ka school bar hoi nomor ba ka ni ka area hakitu ki po na du snam arja khatpa khatanda ter hakipot ki bamsharu ka por paga jur haus lam ka kam yo ban lek ban tuj bahan malin kadon kajing sakut kajing blok tena kaliang ke school na kaliang ke snong kilawan ikendu kila kerpat tena kaliang jonga kumunong mikmat ngatap da kajing sokhia ban milawan hiru ringkat bat I video hal to por ban visit ban page ka jingjai ka station na to por ma ba ka jingkiu jong ko kalaki hadu kata hadu balak ta lo diken ka ground floor ka first floor jonga ka school ka ground floor level jo ka school ka ba kalapun ke jinglut ke jingdunong ka bakhau do kata tena kaliang jonga kumamali ngatap ta ka jing sokhia bat ka lingila ye persang ban simkhia ekene bat ngila ya bu ye ka machine ban penkhut ekene ka stream ekene ka stretch jong ka school jong St Jude bat jong ka snong umher di tang na kada kani ke jing betko ka jongi kanam pala ban pen ya ka to harta kan ti ka babet namar ba hani haka outlet jong kana hai hakapa kadon ka blockage kapa ka on ka poi ketika jika ka wan thai biang namar ba ki ken pen khoi bhai ketika lenti ka ban ya ka sa ketika we ka siliang jong ka sa kaliang jong ketika snong bo sa Assam side tena kaliang jong I kumbala pen pau na kaliang jong ka snong na kaliang jong ka school I tap sisa da ka jinge ka bakrau te ding tagadau na kaliang jong aku mu Emily ngila wan ban ra ke machine ban pen khoi nang ta tangga ni ke pen khoi du kanum pat biang tinggal abu ingba ka SRWP akaba on sala ban nang pentre isu nang penku ye kene kam tengah penpau ye ke jing kublai yo honorable chief minister jongi akaba ka approach ka bangang kren ya ke jingdu jong kene school kila do lut hakabide bat ka ground floor de ngala bu ye ka appeal so chief minister kat ba ila ban ai so sunday nakaliang jong honorable chief minister nak banta ki jingdan kam jong school but ila ai ye ka wokata ka ba ning ba ka CMS RDF MLA scheme ka ba lailak pat nakaliang ka SRWP nakaliang ka scheme ka ba ngan bu mga ngila de ban ha ai machine ban bu pat kan jinglut kan poi kumba ki sanlak nrulak tamai te gisang don susu ka jing penku nak banta ban la ban te lakam ya kan ka jing flot ya kan ka jing kiu jong ha kan ka por ba jor plat islam